Today we're going to be changing out my fuel pressure regulator in my 2001 LB7 Duramax. This FPR is made by OK Motor. I picked it up on Amazon for about $43 with free shipping. I'm going to give these guys a try. I looked up other things they've made. They make a lot of sensors and electronic parts and carburetors and stuff for the ATV world, and a few other car sensors and parts for other vehicles, and they seem to get a pretty good rating. $43. If it works, awesome. If it doesn't, well, then that's a gamble that I lost, and I'll pony up the money for a dormant part. But it's what it looks like. It is definitely the right part. Take this off here. Comes with the O-rings. And we'll show you the desired and actual fuel pressure. It's jumping around a little bit. It's not incredibly bad, but it is definitely jumping around enough to make me worry a little bit. And there's a little bit of rough idle. The truck has a nice lope to it. Whether it's warm or whether it's cold, it does a little better after it's warmed up a bit, but definitely when it's cold. Let's go ahead and show you the exhaust. You can kind of hear it hiccup. So the fuel pressure regulator is located down in here. So to get to that, we'll remove the cold air intake, and we will remove that turbo horn. And then that should give us just enough room to get in there. See the fuel pressure regulator. It is right there with a clip sticking out of it. And let's see if we can get you in there. And just like the other one, there's 3 screws. I believe they're T25s. And again, we'll use our ratchet to get in there and back those out as carefully as we can. Okay, we finally got the old one out. That is not a fun project. It's very, very tight spaces. This will be your best friend for extracting those screws. They break loose pretty easy, and then after that your ratchet's kind of useless because there's not enough resistance to back it out, so you kind of have to go in there manually and use your hands to do it. You're going to want to pick yourself up one of these, nice long ratchet there, get a 2-inch extension with your T25, and that will allow you to get in there. Also, what you want to do is bend this fuel line right here. Just bend it real gently, get it out of the way so that you can get your ratchet in there. But that's pretty much it. Seems to be working. Okay, we just got her up to temp. Taking it for a lap, seeing how everything works. And fuel pressure, or fuel desired pressure versus actual, is pretty rock solid. Sounds good. Accelerates good. Let's see if I can show those injector readings. seem extremely happy right now. And we'll go ahead and check out the exhaust here. Steady, no smoke. Alright, I think we're going to call that a win. Like the video if you found this helpful. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. Go ahead and check out my channel to see other content I have for you. And we will see you on the next one.